I'm Mark Harling with Bean Trailer.
And I'm Cindy.
I'm Lynn Simon with Simon Transport.
Welcome to the great first annual Bean Backup Competition. This is for supremacy between Cindy and I. Who's the best at backing up a Bean trailer? And Lynn Simon of Simon Transport was kind enough to help judge this competition. We share this building in Salt Lake City, and let the games begin.
Oh yeah!
Let's go!
Ready, set, go! Coming right at us. Oh, he's cutting that short. That's smart. Yet, Cindy. Are you good to get through this without any cones?
It's okay.
All right! Woo! This is going to be ugly for me, I can tell right now. Five-second penalty. Wow, Eric, that was a good run.
Hey, thanks.
Nice done.
These things are fun.
Yeah, this is Eric from Simon Transport. He's one of their best drivers. Okay, Cindy, you ready to do this?
I'm ready. I'm ready to beat you.
Ladies first.
Okay, here we go. bark, you get a participation trophy.
You won. Well, there you have it.
I don't know. We got to
champion.
ask, the professionals here at Simon. Woo!
Well,
All right, while you're getting out
happens.
there, we got this.
Cindy is the winner of the first annual Bean Backup, and want to thank Lynn and Eric for helping us out and being good sports in this cold weather. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks. So yeah, the secret's out. I'm not very good at backing up a trailer, at least compared to Cindy, who's pretty good at it. But it's amazing what a little bit of practice should be able to do to help your skills. So I watched a video on YouTube that I think had some really good helpful hints. You can probably find it right here. And I'm gonna practice some of those helpful hints for somewhere between the next half hour and the next hour. And then we'll run the test again and see how I do. Wish me luck. So the key was to find a spot to index on the vehicle and on the trailer and try to keep those aligned, and then keep one hand at the bottom of the steering wheel and turn in the your hand in the direction that you wanted the trailer to go. So the key is practice, practice, practice. I practiced for about a half hour to an hour, and I could see substantial improvements in backing up straight between parallel cones, and also backing into a spot from a left approach and from a right approach. I'm sure you guys are much better at this than I am. We look forward to seeing your comments on helpful hints for backing up a small trailer. Thanks. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like. Thanks again. All right, mercifully, that concludes our backup video. If you watch the video, you know that Cindy resoundingly kicked my ass in the backup video, and I was humiliated. However, I did practice for about an hour and watch some YouTube videos. So now I'm an expert. No, I'm not an expert, but I did get better and was able to do some maneuvers that I wasn't able to do before. And so I want to share some of the hints that we have learned in backing up small trailers. Cindy, do you want to get us started?
Yeah, so one of the hints is small trailers, unfortunately, are harder to maneuver when backing up than a large trailer. I've used a boat and gone down a ramp. It's been easy. Smaller trailers are more sensitive to input, so you just have to be careful with that, but you'll get good at it with practice.
Yeah. The other hint that was almost universal and everybody recommends is when you're backing up the trailer to actually grab the bottom part of the steering wheel and then turn your hand in the direction that you want the back of the trailer to go. I learned with my hand on the top, so that was really confusing to me. But if you're just getting started, I think it does make a lot of sense to hold the bottom of the steering wheel. The third hint is indexing the vehicle to the trailer to some spot that you want to keep in line. So it may be your mirror, or it may be your door handle that gets indexed to the sidewall of the trailer, and then it may be a boat ramp. I guess you wouldn't want to bean down a boat ramp. Would you?
Well, you know, it is a
Wouldn't be
fiberglass
good
shell.
idea. But anyway, you get the idea. So index those, and when you're trying to back up straight, instead of looking out the rear view mirror, look out the side mirror and make sure the trailer stays aligned by small inputs at the bottom of the steering wheel.
Next is number 4. If you are finding that your trailer's going off track, instead of trying to correct, and it keeps going off track, just pull forward and start again.
Yeah.
So you'll just straighten up and start again.
And that's particularly important if you notice that you're starting to jackknife. You can get yourself out of a jackknife before it's too late by just pulling forward a little bit. The next one is if you want to save your marriage, if you want to save a lot of money on counseling bills, instead of yelling at each other on inputs, actually develop some hand signals that you guys agree with, and the person outside stand in the view of the side mirror so that the person in the vehicle can see you.
In short, hand signals, no yelling.
Yeah. And the other thing is, and this one can be sometimes embarrassing, I've had to do it before, if you're not sure where the back of the trailer is and whether you're correctly aligned, put the vehicle in park, get out and check. I know it might be embarrassing if there's people around, but what's more embarrassing is actually hitting something in front of a lot of people.
Final one is practice, practice, practice. That's the way you'll get good at learning how to back up a small trailer.
Yeah. So I'm sure you guys are much more experienced at backing up small trailers than we are. We'd love to see your comments on what you suggest as recommendations for backing up a trailer. So with that, we're concluding the video by presenting Cindy with
my
the
very own trophy.
2022 Backup Championship Trophy.
All right, here it is. All right, this wraps it up. Make sure you subscribe and like our stuff. Thanks.
Bye.
Heard you crushed it.
Yeah, I crushed the trailer, the car,
The cones.
the cones. On behalf of the Academy, I'd like to thank all the little people who made this possible. I'd like to thank the feral cats that we have that have been supportive the entire time that we've been in this building. It was way too long.
Wait, we're not starting yet.
Yeah.
Okay, just hang on because I'm not ready. I just like do the
Okay, so
Yeah, definitely. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't want to say that part. We got there.